Sleep and stress are two of the more common lifestyle factors that definitely have a big impact on men's hormones, or andropause, right? Stress is the important part of life. It can be a good part of life when it propels us to higher achievement, but stress can also be a disabling part of life if it's in excess, right? We know that with cortisol, when cortisol levels start to go up, sex hormones start to come down. They're kind of like a teeter-totter. So if life is stressful and we're not managing stress well, you can expect that hormones are going to start to drop, and that will confer or show an even more significant deterioration in your health than what you would get normally. So stress, sleep are both impactful. Ultimately, if we're not getting adequate amounts of sleep, stress is going to go up. Cortisol is one of those main hormones that keeps us going during stressful times. And so cortisol also makes us more insulin resistant, which causes more weight gain and metabolic dysfunction. And metabolic dysfunction is another huge driver of lower hormones as well in men. So both are impactful. We definitely want to make sure we're getting adequate sleep and handling stress in healthy ways.
Hi, Dr. Saxena here, Chief Medical Officer at Form Health. Thanks for visiting our channel. Make sure to subscribe to get the latest insights and information on functional and integrative medicine.